All right, this video is going to focus on the waves unit of this credit opportunity activity. To start, you have a reading that's going to cover what's called the waves basics. And so it's going to talk about what is frequency, what is wavelength, how do we talk about waves. And so while you read, you'll be able to answer questions off to the side that are answered in the reading. Some are going to be short answer and some will be multiple choice. Then there is a lab that I want you to do, and it's going to help you explore waves and kind of the basics of waves. So the goal of this is to follow the directions and then make observations based on some of the different characteristics of a wave. And so to start, you're going to set the activity to oscillate and no end. In the top left corner, oscillate, and in the top right corner, no end. Oh, sorry, it might look like this, but you select no end, so it should look like this. I also selected slow motion, get a little bit easier to make observations. The first one, observe. So if I move the slider this way, and if I move the slider this way, what does it do? So then, in my own words, can I amplitude? You're going to do the same thing for frequency. So I might reset this back to normal. And then what does changing the frequency do? And this one I kind of recommend not having on slow motion because you can really see what frequency is. You're going to continue to do that with the damping slider. So the damping slider is here. You might reset this back to normal and maybe slow motion. Lots of damping and no damping. Okay, so maybe let it play for a little bit and then you can make that observation. And just two more questions regarding waves. How might a wave medium impact a wave? So what that's asking, waves like sound and light, they have to travel through air. They travel through water. They might travel through hard physical objects like a table. And so how might the different mediums like wave water, air, or something physically hard impact the wave's ability to travel? And so based on the damping would be my suggestion to think about. What might that hypothesis look like? And then for 15, how will sound waves travel faster through water or air? Simply hypothesize. So you would say something like, I hypothesize that sound waves will travel better through water or air because, and try to do your best to explain that. So again, this was waves. Let me know if you have any questions and how I can help you.